So Milo meets
Milo, sit.
the new baby.
Milo, sit, I said. Be a good boy. This is my boy. This is my boy. Milo.
Go say hi to the baby.
Milo, not to me.
There's a baby here.
Baby girl. What's that silly dog doing? What's that silly dog doing?
I can't believe he's still sleeping through this.
Don't go back to the baby. Like there's a baby.
That's better.
I got her, sweetheart. She's not born.
Good girl.
That's so cute. Oh, you're such a good girl.
Fui. Fui, bora, fui. Bora, fui. Bora, fui. Bora.
Sweet. You're being so sweet. Aw, how sweet. Oh, is he giving you kisses? Is he giving you kisses? You're being so sweet. Okay, watch the cat. Cat action. Where's the daddy? Is this Marty? Oh, Brian has got to see this.
That's a Betty. Betty. You see, that's a Betty. Hey, Betty.
They shut the party down from a fire drill, so it was police there. After the Biggie thing, I had spoke to the police and I saw a couple of pictures that they had when they was watching. They were showing me pictures of me.
Jail. Yes, jail. Cover him up, Mom.
Still.
Ele tá cobrindo, mãe.
Será?
Tá cobrindo.